Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be explaining how to use Quizlet. Quizlet is an online flashcard application that can help you learn vocabulary and practice. The way to learn vocabulary is practice, practice, practice. So this online tool will be very helpful for you to improve your computer vocabulary. Let me show you how to use it. First, close this message so you can see the whole application. On one side, you'll see a picture and maybe a definition. What is this called? What is it? Computer, right? So you click the card to see if you're correct. It's desktop computer. So I was half correct. So it's a computer that you use on a table or a desk. What is it called? Desktop computer. You can also click here to hear the pronunciation. To go to the next word, click View Next Card. What's this? Laptop. What's this called? Tablet. And then you could flip back and forth. You can play so that it does it automatically. You can shuffle the cards so they're out of order. You can click on options. You can answer with the definition or both, start over, and have the audio on or off. You can also choose your study mode. Now I'm in flashcards. You can also do matching. It's like a game. So desktop computer is this one. What's this called? Microphone. These are keys, right? So it's kind of a game where you match the word with the picture. You could also do learn. So what are these? Headphones. What's this? Laptop. Okay. You could do a test. You could also do spelling. So you'll just type what you hear. You click here and you type what you hear. I have my headphones on so you won't be able to hear it, but click here and type. These are, I'll test it.
Wireless. W-I-R-E-L-E-S-S. Earphones.
So it corrects you
Wireless
if you make a mistake. And you might have to do it twice until you get it correct. You could also click here and go directly to the website and study the vocabulary on Quizlet.com. Quizlet also has an application for your phone. So if you're interested in doing that and having it on your phone, let me know and I can help you do that. So this week, work on studying basic computer vocabulary. Thanks.